Hello everyone, very warm welcome yet to the another exciting session. So in this video we are going to discuss the strategy of maths and reasoning for Sainik School, and we will discuss how can you crack the Sainik School examination. So before going to start this session, please tell me in the comment section, how are you guys? I hope you all good, and welcome to SD Campus. My name is Manu and I'm the faculty of SD Campus of Maths and Reasoning. So in this session, I want to ask some of those students who are going to start their preparation, and those students whose exams is near, and those students who want to apply in the examination. So this session is going to be very beneficial for all of you, because I want to tell you the strategy of maths and reasoning so that you should be the result oriented, because our aim is we have to select in the All India Sainik School exam. So how can we select? You should know the strategy of maths and reasoning. First of all, we will discuss about what is the minimum passing marks of, minimum qualifying marks or passing marks of maths and reasoning in All India Sainik School exam. So I think mathematics have 50 questions and each question is of 3 marks and total marks is 150. So what is the minimum qualifying marks? So minimum qualifying marks is 37.5, and you know that there's a good thing in the exam is there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking. So how many questions you have to solve, or you have to give the right answer at least? So minimum 13 question you have to be correct. Okay, you have to solve correctly. So now in the part of reasoning, I'm talking about maths and reasoning. Okay, so in reasoning part, reasoning have 25 question and each of 2 marks and total marks is 50. So what is the minimum passing marks of reasoning? So minimum passing marks of reasoning is 12.5. So minimum passing marks of reasoning is 12.5. But is this enough for qualifying the examination? No, because you should get overall 120 marks. You should get overall 120 marks in the examination. So I give you a brief. In maths, the minimum passing marks you should have 37.5. In reasoning, you should have minimum passing marks is 12.5, but overall examination you should have 120 marks in the examination. Okay, but if you get the minimum passing marks, it doesn't mean you are selected. Okay, that means qualifying marks doesn't mean you are selected. It means that you are eligible for the next step. Okay, got it? So if you cross this hurdle, so your next hurdle is, if you cross this hurdle, so your next hurdle is cutoff marks. So your next hurdle is cutoff marks. Okay, so now you have to cross this hurdle, cutoff marks. Now if you cross this hurdle, so your next hurdle is category wise cutoff. Category wise cutoff. And after that, if you cross this hurdle, the next hurdle is the cutoff marks of boys and girls. That means the cutoff marks of boys and for girls are different. So you have to cross all three hurdles and also minimum passing marks hurdle, then you can be selected in All India Sainik School exam. So what is a strategy for maths? So if you are going to start your journey for All India Sainik School examination, so what are the basics topic you should learn in firstly? Okay, what are the basic topics you should learn in starting or in beginning? So there are 5 topics. Number 1, percentage, number system. Third one is ratio. Number 4, mensuration. And number 5, profit and loss. Okay. So in the beginning, you have to study about percentage, number system, ratio, mensuration, and profit loss, because according to the last 3-4 years, in from these topics, the question are asked. The question are asked from percentages 2 to 5, from number system 5 to 6, from ratio 3 to 4, from mensuration 4 to 5, from profit and loss 2 to 3. Okay. Apart from this, a few chapters you can learn. Okay, that is time and work, time, speed, distance. Okay. So in the beginning, you can start with this topic. In the beginning, you can start with this topic and you can achieve your goal. Okay. I think you have understood very well what is the main topics of mathematics, or from which topic you have to start your journey. And those students whose exam is near, they can revise these topics, because these are very, very, very useful, for very, very important topics. So if you are thinking this video is going to be very beneficial for you, please like this video and share with your friends and your respective group, so that more student can get the benefit from this video. So now we talk about reasoning. So why reasoning is important? Because reasoning section has 25 question and total marks is 50, because each question is of 2 marks. So you should start with the non-verbal topic, because non-verbal reasoning, I think it is easy and very important, because it takes less time. Okay. So what are the important topics in non-verbal is mirror image and water image, embedded figures, third one is paper folding and paper cutting. Okay. Okay. So you should start with these topics, because non-verbal takes less time. In the examination, non-verbal takes only 30 seconds of each question. Okay. So non-verbal takes 30 seconds for each question. So you should start with non-verbal. And if you have completed your non-verbal journey, non-verbal reasoning journey, now you can start your journey with verbal reasoning. So in verbal reasoning, what are the important topics? So in verbal reasoning, the important topics are, you can start with blood relation, coding, decoding, sitting arrangement, ranking, and according to last 3-4 year examination, 2 to 3 questions are asked from blood relation, and 2 to 3 questions are asked from coding decoding. 2 to 3 questions are definitely asked from sitting arrangement, and 1 to 3 questions are definitely asked in the previous examination from ranking. So these topics are very, very important, and you should cover all these topics for class 6 and for class 9 also, especially. So now we are going to discuss what would be the cutoff marks. What would be the cutoff marks of this examination? So for class 9, we can say, for class 9, for class 6, firstly we will discuss about class 6. So for general category, you can say the cutoff marks would be 250 plus minus. Okay. And for class 9, the cutoff marks for general would be 350 plus minus 5. Okay. So around 250, if you get 250 marks, then you will be selected, and around 350 marks for class 9, you would be selected. Got it? I think this session is very useful for you. You have understood overall idea what are the important topics, what are the tips of maths and reasoning, and why we should go for the cutoff marks, not even for qualifying marks. So cutoff marks is more important than qualifying marks. Okay, so I think this video is very beneficial for you, and please share the link of this session with your friends, with your respective group, so that more students can join and can get the benefit of this session. If you want to study with us, please download the app of SD Campus, and you will get the free, absolutely free of cost, many things like current affair, daily updates, and many more. So please download the SD Campus app. So please join us. We promise we are responsible for your selection. So thank you very much and watching this session, and thank you for watching this session. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you.